Cleaning up after Christmas and I just found this guy and I realised that Mr Coco's never met the elf, so I thought I'd see. Can you move, dog, please? Thought I'd see what you thought of him. If I just sit him there, what do you think? He looks like he's up for a good time with his leg in the air. Are you that scared of him? Oh, look, he's a nice elf. Oh, oh, he's lovely. Say hello, Coco. Hello, Coco. Here's a kiss. Here's a kiss. Mwah. You know, up for some magical Christmas elf loving. Hello. Hello. You wimp. He's lovely, really. He's lovely, really. Come on, come say hello. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Good boy. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. What do you think? Come and say hello. You never know, might give you a walnut. Hello, Coco. Hello. Don't think he likes him.